Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Single wallet moves 310 XRP as price slump. Details leading cryptocurrency data tracking platform, Whale Alert, has tracked the movement of a massive amount of Ripple, XRP. According to Whale Alert, an anonymous whale transferred 310,365,004, 310.36 million, XRP to another unknown user in the past hour. At the time of the transaction, the 310.36 million XRP tokens were worth $147.32 million. In recent times, Ripple whales have moved huge amounts of XRP tokens. Most of these large XRP transfers are connected to Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, service. As reported, there has been a growing demand for Ripple's ODL, a solution that uses XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border settlements. Traditional financial institutions mostly use the service for instant and low-cost cross-border remittances. Meanwhile, there is a possibility that the huge transfer was made for investment purposes. The value of XRP has been reacting to events from the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. The ongoing suit has lingered for over a year and has been a major determinant of XRP price. Following events in the lawsuit, many investors hope the ruling will be in Ripple's favor. It is expected that a win for Ripple would fuel the price of XRP. Based on this, investors are taking early positions in the asset class, hoping the lawsuit outcome favors the blockchain company. More huge XRP transfers. It is noteworthy that other large XRP transfers were recorded in the past 24 hours. Per Whale Alert, an anonymous whale deposited 29 million XRP, $13.52 million, to an address on the Bitstamp crypto exchange. 71,389,448, 71.38 million, XRP tokens were sent in 2 transactions to different addresses on the FTX exchange. 3 hours ago, an anonymous whale deposited 35 million XRP in Bitstamp. The tokens were worth $16.5 million when the transaction was made. Whales moved 445,754,452, 445.75 million, XRP tokens in the last 24 hours. At the current exchange rate, the tokens moved by Ripple whales are worth $211.89 million. According to data on CoinGecko, XRP is changing hands at $0.475, down 3% in the past 24 hours. XRP price action sees traders fear Thursday inflation number. Ripple price action goes nowhere as the gains from Friday evaporate over the weekend. XRP price action sees traders looking for support as the selling action took over as of Saturday. Expect a possible decline of another 8% toward Thursday as traders fear the US inflation print. Ripple, XRP price action sees traders being pulled off their pink cloud from last week as stocks and cryptocurrencies rallied rapidly in the aftermath of the US job numbers. Markets saw the lower than expected figure as an element that could point to the Fed not being forced to keep hiking at the current pace. However, considering the hawkish press conference from Powell, traders are starting to think that the Fed is preparing markets for another jump in inflation numbers, breaking the 40-year high currently in the books, which would mean that the current economic backdrop is still very much at play. XRP price set to break below support. Ripple price action is currently seeing its support coming under pressure as the sell-off continues this Monday morning, giving back almost all the gains from Friday. That traders are pulling out that quickly is not good news. Seeing the element that European and US indices are on the back foot, expect this to weigh on XRP price action. More downside could be holding roughly another 8% of losses should the important supportive factor break and give way to the bears. XRP price action uses that supportive factor given by the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, underpinning the price action last week on 3 occasions. Seeing the additional element that the 55-day SMA moved above the 200-day SMA, some bullish signs were spotted. As long as the 200-day SMA is not moving higher though, that long-awaited golden cross is not happening. Thus risks of sudden breakdowns in the price action will still occur on regular occasions. XRP, USD daily chart. The other scenario is quite simple as binary. The 55-day SMA holds support and provides bulls a new entry level to build upon. That would mean that a bounce occurs as price action remains underpinned at 46 cents and pushes price action back to 0.48. Look for a test and break again above 51 cents, as that would mean new highs are possible, while lower highs could point to a simple squeeze to the downside. Ripple lawsuit. Jeremy Hogan cites superior edge. Ripple has so far in case. According to Jeremy Hogan, there are increasing chances of Ripple prevailing over SEC in the summary judgment. Hogan said that the SEC's sole evidence is statements from Ripple and a handful of purchasers about Ripple's involvement in the price of XRP. Hogan outlines the rationale for his deduction and why the SEC is unable to satisfy at least one component of the Howey test in a series of tweets. According to him, the SEC must prove two things to prevail in summary judgment. First is to prove every element by the greater weight of the evidence, and second is to prove that there is no genuine dispute of material fact. Although these are legal nuances, Hogan describes them in clear terms. He claims that the SEC's primary evidence on the expectation of profits based on efforts of others prong of the Howey test comes from remarks made by Ripple and several buyers regarding Ripple's influence over the price of XRP. It has also abandoned its expert witness on this issue. Ripple challenges the SEC based on this premise with its expert witness, who links XRP's price movement to market factors, particularly since 2018. Additionally, Ripple filed over 3,000 affidavits from XRP holders attesting that they were not looking to Ripple to raise the price of the cryptocurrency. Hogan concludes that Ripple has provided direct, tangible proof that a reasonable XRP buyer was not counting on Ripple to drive up the price. Therefore, in his own eyes, the SEC has completely failed to meet its burden of presenting the greater weight of the evidence. Summary judgment motions. In September, the SEC and Ripple both filed motions for summary judgment, asking District Judge Annalisa Torres to make a ruling based on the arguments filed in accompanying documents. Also, both parties have filed their opposition briefs to each other's motion for summary judgment. The replies to the summary judgment motions are now expected to come in by November 30th, by which all briefings would be completed and Judge Torres' final decision will be expected. 0.71 million XRP moved by whales to FTX in flurry of exchange transfers. According to crypto data tracker Whale Alert, over 71 million XRP flowed to the FTX exchange in recent hours. The move was done in two transactions. The first was 35,774,039 XRP worth $16,631,186. And the second was 35,615,409 XRP worth $16,557,439. Both were transferred from unknown wallets to the FTX exchange. The FTX exchange is seeing a flurry of transfers in the wake of Binance's decision to liquidate its FTT holdings and the controversy surrounding Alameda's balance sheet. According to Nansen data, 26,600 ETH were transferred from Alameda to FTX over the last day. Likewise, a large amount of stablecoins from wallets on Huobi, OKX, KuCoin and other exchanges has moved toward and away from the FTX exchange. Cybersecurity intelligence firm Peck Shield reports that, on the previous day, Jump Trading withdrew around $40.4 million USDC from FTX. A total of $109.8 million worth of cryptocurrency, including 56,432 ETH and around $13.9 million in stablecoins, were transferred from FTX to crypto lending platform Nexo. Wu Blockchain reports that FTX's stablecoin net outflow was the largest of any exchange in the past 7 days at $292 million. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.